Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In this video, I'll show you on how you can animate Ghibli style images using Pixverse. First things first, you want to head over to the pixverse.ai website. From here, you then want to make sure that you have logged in into your account. Now, you can do this from a free account so you have nothing to worry about. From here, you can then see all of the dashboard right here and all of the community creations. But if you scroll down to the bottom of your screen, you will be able to see these presets. In here, the first thing that we want to do is to simply upload our own image. To do that, just click on the upload image or video right here. Go ahead and upload your image. In my case, I'm going to be using a Ghibli image right away. And right after uploading your image, you then want to select our effect. So you have to click on the second button right here. Inside, click on the Ghibli Live option. Right after that, you then have to enter your prompt. Now you want to make sure that you are inside the effects tab right here. You want to make sure that you are inside the effects besides image or text and transitions. From here, you can just type anything you want to go ahead and transform your photo into. In my case, I'm going to type something like girl waving goodbye. Right after, click on the create button. Wait for the process to finish. And right after, we can now preview our creation. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.